day, ma'am. I am Arnold Zabate. I am a dedicated professional with experience in managing branch operations, skilled in strategic planning and execution, and passionate about growing within a dynamic team. My strength is being detail-oriented and reliable. My weaknesses was public speaking, but I've been improving through practice and feedback. I admire your company's values and innovative work culture, and I believe I can contribute meaningful to your goals. Yes, I stay calm and focused, prioritize tasks, and always meet deadline even in the high pressure situation. I bring relevant skill, a strong work ethic, and commitment to delivering results that align with our company's visions. I'm open with discussing a fair salary based on my experience, the job role, and your company's standards.